What's up guys, I'm Phoenix Master 1 and welcome to this video. So I just want to let you guys know about an event that I'm part of, and you might have heard about this on Twitter or you may not have. So I'm just making this video to let everyone know. So I'm gonna be part of an event called Emblem Food Drive. It's a charity event done by these content creators. Unfortunately, in these trying times, people are not food secure. In Nova Scotia, the province where Fargas is from, it ranks among the highest food insecure provinces in Canada. So food banks are under tremendous pressure and a lot of people rely on them. And this is just our part to help the people in need. So a lot of us content creators are getting together to do a charity stream called the Emblem Food Drive. And it's gonna be a whole day dedicated event playing Fire Emblem and raising funds for a charity called Feed Nova Scotia, a registered charity which distributes almost 2 million kilograms of donated food to 141 food banks. And I'm also going to be part of this event, and the stream is going to be starting on 12 p.m. EST today, April 4th, and the link to it is going to be in the description down below. It will mean a lot to me if you guys could come and hang out. I'm going to be there for some Fire Emblem Heroes summoning stuff and also for some Ether Raids mock battles. And you guys know how well my recent summoning session went on Brahmimon's Mythic Banners, so I've put together another degenerate defense team. So if you want to see it in action, then please come over to the live stream. As I said, it will mean a lot to me. So yeah, with that said, I hope you guys have a good day, and if you do find time, then please drop by. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.